What is going on, everybody? Do not listen to a word I have to say if you don't want to learn how to make $100 per day online anywhere. Everybody, my name is Julius Kellawan. I'm an online marketing and traffic generation expert, and I'm just cutting this quick video for you to give you an introductory and a value of how to make $100 per day online anywhere. Now, I'm straight about business, so let's cut straight to the chase. First thing you're going to need is a product to promote. You're going to need a product to promote, whether you design your own product or if you find an affiliate product to promote, you're definitely going to need a product to promote. The second thing you're going to need is a custom capture page. You're going to need a custom capture page because if you have a product that you're promoting and you've got a couple of people, hundreds of people, probably even thousands of people promoting that same product, you're going to need a custom capture page in order to make you stand out and increase your marketing efforts. The third and probably one of the easiest but most important things that you're going to need is traffic. And you're going to need good quality, consistent traffic to that custom capture page on a daily basis in order to increase your marketing efforts and provide the best return on income for your efforts. Now, the last thing that I would suggest is that you need a marketing system and a marketing funnel designed in a particular way to increase sales, increase conversions, and increase sales without you having to put the effort in a second time. To the way that you're making $100 per day or upwards of even $1,000 per day while you're sleeping. If you'd like more information on how to exactly do these 3 steps step by step and how you can partner with me and how I can show you exactly how to get $100 per day step by step, click on the link in the description below this video. Follow the directions and I'll see you guys on the other side.